XML remains common in legacy systems, configuration files, and enterprise integrations. C# offers robust tools to read, write, and manipulate XML using approaches suited for different needs. XMLDocument supports LINQ-friendly XML operations. For example, this line creates the XML structure, and then you can query with the descendants method. This way it allows intuitive navigation and data extraction. XmlReader and XmlReader provide streaming for large files, reading efficiently without loading the full document. XMLDocument offers DOM-style processing for legacy code requiring mutable XML trees. Validate XML with schemas for data correctness. Handle malformed data with try-catch to prevent crashes, and favor XDocument in modern code for its cleaner API. XML is more verbose than JSON, but offers strong structure and validation.